This video is assembly and review of a Harbor Freight heavy-duty Franklin brand scaffold. If you're wondering if the package will fit in your car, it actually came home in a Hyundai Tucson, which is not a very big car. But with the passenger seat pushed all the way forward and tilted, it barely fit. So the carton's about 6 foot 3 inches long, or about 75 inches. It's 30 inches wide, about 5.5 inches tall. But the thing weighs about 128 pounds, so you're definitely going to need some help. Carton had a little damage, but it's the only one we could find within about 100 miles of where we live. I've been working on a porch remodel project, and I'm going to be doing the overhang, soffit, and fascia board. So I wanted to pick up something to make it easier, and this gives you about 6 foot of walking space, which makes a big difference because in my old age, going up and down the ladder constantly is really taking a toll on me. So once I got it open, there's no damage or anything, which I was happy to see. Once I got all the parts out, the assembly was really easy. It just pretty much snaps together, and then put some safety pins in. The working plank looks to be 1/4 inch, like Luan plywood. Not real heavy duty, but it's sitting on a metal frame. So that's pretty much everything that was in the box. You won't need many tools, a 14mm wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver just to bolt the walking plank down. Casters and safety pins are in these white cartons. The casters just slip in and they're held in place by one safety pin. Here I just snapped one of the side rails onto one of the uprights. There's one part of the assembly that would be easier with a helper, but you can do it yourself. Once you've got the side rails in position, just go around and put the safety pins in the lower part. And the wheel locks are a little difficult to unlock. I guess that's probably a good thing. So I just find a screwdriver. And prime up with that. Oops, I forgot the wheel lock. And there's a hold down on each side. You just push up on the bottom. It's a spring loaded. Twist it and it'll hold that walking plank down. And there's just 4 bolts that goes through from the top. You just tighten down the nuts on the bottom. Well, I did bolt these down. I ended up taking them back out after I used it for a couple of days because I wanted to take the plank off and put some wood sealer on it because it was soaking up water. And that's really all there is to assembling it. It went together real easy. All in all, I have to say I'm pretty happy with this purchase. It was pretty inexpensive, went together real easy, and it's so much easier than working off of a ladder, especially like under an overhang like I'm doing here. And as recommended, be sure to seal up both sides of the plywood. So that's it. I hope you found something useful here.